In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update bank transactions in Zoho Books. Keeping your financial records accurate and up to date is crucial for any business, and Zoho Books makes this task a bit more manageable. Let me guide you through the process step by step so you can navigate it with ease. First, let's start by going to the Zoho Books website. Once you are on the homepage, locate the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and enter your credentials to log in. If you're not sure where to find the website, just search for Zoho Books in your favorite search engine, and it should be one of the top results. Signing in is your gateway to accessing all of the tools and information necessary for managing your business finances. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho Books homepage. This page acts as your dashboard, helping you get a quick overview of your financial activities and open tasks. To update bank transactions, we need to navigate a bit further. Look for the banking option in the menu. This section is pivotal as it houses all bank accounts associated with your Zoho Books profile. Once you've clicked on banking, your next step is to click on active accounts. Here you'll see a list of all the accounts that are currently linked. It's important to ensure these are the accounts you wish to manage and update. If an account isn't there, you might need to link it first. Now that you're viewing your active accounts, the next thing you need to do is pick the account you wish to update. For today's tutorial, let's say you click on an account named Petty Cash. Selecting an account directs you to a page displaying recent transactions for that specific account. Once you're in the specified account's transaction history, scroll through and identify the transaction you want to update. With Zoho Books, all the transactions are neatly listed with minimal clutter, making it easier to spot the one you need. After selecting the transaction, find and click on the Edit button. This action opens up the transaction details, allowing you to make any necessary changes. Whether it's an update to the date, amount, or purpose, ensure that the new information is accurate and reflects what you intended. That's it. After updating, make sure to save your changes and your transaction will reflect the most current and accurate information. Maintaining a precise record will not only help you manage your finances effectively, but will also provide clearer insights for planning and reporting. Thank you for joining me today as we explored how to update bank transactions in Zoho Books. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Feel free to revisit any part of the video if needed, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Happy financial managing!